This is the SkelStart Engine Start Module, which replaces batteries for starting power. The ESM will give you full power even at -40 and will even take its charge from dead batteries. Winter no-start issues are a thing of the past. So Skeleton is a company from Europe who have a patented curved graphene technology which offers the highest power density of any other supercapacitor on the market. And what we've done is taken it and used it to apply for starting power. So supercapacitors provide us a huge rush of clean current on startup, and they will provide this even at -40. This provides all of our starting power, and all we have to do is connect it to the battery where it will take its charge. Even if we manage to deplete the ESM on startup attempts, let's just say the fuel system was out of fuel and we needed to prime it, or it didn't start for some other reason, all we need to do is wait. This system will take its full charge in 12 minutes from a 24-volt battery. And if the batteries are depleted even all the way down to 18 volts, they will still provide a full charge for starting power. It will just take a little longer. When we use ESMs in our fleet, it allows us to remove batteries from the vehicle, which removes weight and adds us ability for payload and other accessories without exceeding our ROPS limitations. This is absolutely revolutionary, and not a lot of people know about it, which is why we're taking the opportunity today to show this to you. These have been made available for transportation trucks as well. Contact us and we can help you get a kit together for mining applications and large construction engines, and get rid of all of the headaches of cold weather, no starts, and battery issues once and for all.